This video will show how to install the Quick Bible app and use it with the Restoration Scriptures, the inspired version of the Bible, the Book of Mormon, and the Doctrine and Covenants. The Quick Bible app runs on Android devices such as phones, tablets, or the Kindle. It provides fast and easy navigation to chapters and verses, good search capabilities, and the ability to copy and paste scripture text. Unfortunately, this program is not available to Apple iOS users. To begin, open a web browser. For Android, this will usually be the Chrome app. Type in the following address: centerplace.org/HS. That's centerplace.org/HS for Holy Scriptures. This site contains the scriptures online at the centerplace.org website, but this page also contains a link to the Quick Bible instructions and download links. Click on Quick Bible. Scroll down the page and click on the link to install the 3-in-1. You can either install the 3-in-1 with the lectures on faith or without the lectures. By default, Chrome will download the file into the download folder. Note, if you're an advanced user, you may download this file to a different location or move it to a different folder after you're downloading. This is important to be aware of because if you download it to the download folder and that folder ever gets cleared, you would need to download the file again unless you have stored it somewhere else. After the file is downloaded, do not click on the link to open it. Just continue further down the page and click on the link to install the Quick Bible app. After the app is installed, you can run the program. The Quick Bible app comes by default with the King James Version of the Bible. You can see the abbreviation of the book in the upper right corner. You can also install other Bibles from the company's website if you want. The Quick Bible app allows you to install different versions of the Bible in English or in other languages. But to use the 3-in-1 file that you have already downloaded, click on the download arrow in the upper right corner, and select Other Versions. To install one of the other Bibles, you can select it from the list. Or to install the file that we just downloaded, click on the plus symbol in the upper right corner, and then select From Local Storage. And then select the download folder or the location where you stored the file. Select the file that begins EN3-in-1-RSE, and that it will end with a .yes extension, and it may either have the lectures or not the lectures, depending on which one you loaded. Now you can click the back arrow. Again, click on the down arrow in the upper right corner, and now you will see that the 3-in-1 is another option for a Bible that you can open. The first time you install Quick Bible, click on the link that says Genesis 1, and then select Grid, and then choose a book and a chapter of the Bible. To navigate quickly to a book and a chapter and verse, click on the link in the top. Notice that the Old Testament is listed first, followed by the New Testament, and then the Book of Mormon and the Doctrine and Covenants last, and the Lectures of Faith. The books of the Book of Mormon are listed beginning with the title page, the testimony of the witnesses, and then 1 Nephi. For the Doctrine and Covenants, it begins with section 108a, which is the introduction, followed by the D&C, which is most of the revelations, and then the appendix, which contains sections 107, 109, and 110, and then if you downloaded the version with the Lectures of Faith, it will be listed last. To search for a verse, click the magnifying glass in the upper right corner. Enter one or more words, or partial words, that you wish to find in a verse, and then click the magnifying glass at the bottom. By default, this will search all of the books in the entire volume, beginning with the Old Testament, New Testament, Book of Mormon, and then Doctrine and Covenants. If you wish to search only part of the books, and you can click on the book icon on the right, and then select or unselect the books that you wish to search. And click OK. And then again, click the magnifying glass to search. Here we see that we found the verses God and love in the same verse, beginning with the Gospel of John. If you click on a verse, it will take you to the context in the text of the Bible. Here you can scroll up or down in this page, or you can swipe from left to right to go from one chapter to the next, or you can click on the arrow navigations next to the book and the chapter to use the previous or the next verse. If you wish to copy a verse, you can click on it, and you can click on multiple verses, and then click on the three dots in the upper right corner and select Copy Verse. This will copy the text into the clipboard of the phone or tablet, and then you can go to another app, such as a text messaging app, and paste the text to send to someone. The Quick Bible app also has several options that you can experiment with, such as changing the layout, the font size, the background color, or it can be put into a split screen to show two Bibles simultaneously, although this is difficult in places because of the verse number differences between the King James Version and the Inspired Version. Check out the Restoration Scriptures site at sites.google.com/site/3 scriptures for more versions of the scriptures to use online, in apps, desktop or laptop computers, and in print form.